Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to OurTechies, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix iCloud lock problem on iPhone with custom firmware method. So here it is, the iPhone is stuck on this iCloud activation lock screen. It's asking for the iCloud ID and the password to bypass this screen. And so in this video I'm gonna use the custom firmware method to fix this iCloud lock problem, and this is a completely permanent solution. For that you require a PC that is must be Windows 7 64-bit PC, a original cable which for iPhones, the original cable which comes with the phones. And the third one, you require to download these three files from the given link below the description. One is the ICP driver, the modded iTunes, and the custom firmware for your file. So this is iPhone 6s. I'm going to test on this iPhone 6s, and the custom firmware version is 11.2.5. And the driver and after downloading this, simply install the modded iTunes and the ICP driver, and then simply restart the phone with disabling the driver signature enforcement, and also turn off the antivirus if on your device of your computer, and then just start the process. So first of all, the rename the modded rename the uh, custom firmware in this name, and after rename it, simply copy that file and paste it to a specific folder, that is the here. Simply search here for that, that is percent app data and percent. Okay, percent. So it is the roaming folder will be available. So simply open that, and from here you require to select the Apple computer and then iTunes and then iPhone software updates. So simply paste the file to here, and then simply minimize it and simply paste it. So now from here you require to simply open the iTunes, and then simply connect your cable with the computer. So here's the cable, and its original cable, which comes basically it's the parts of this already tiered, but I'm using the original one because this one is the this one also a cable, but it's like a duplicate cable, which for that if I use this cable I definitely get error, iTunes error. So that's why I'm not basically use this cable, I only use that cable, the original cable. So I always recommend you to use the original cable while doing that. So, and then after that, simply connect this with the computer and check that the completely file has been completed. Okay, now it's completed. So now simply connect it now, and when you see the charging option, simply hold the home button and the power button until the phone gets boot on, until the phone gets off. And when it's off, and when you see the Apple logo, when the phone gets on with the Apple logo, simply remove holding the power button. So just wait. So now remove holding the power button, only hold the home button. So now the phone jumps on the iTunes mode, and here it is, it's detected there's a problem while doing that. So update or restore. So simply click over the restore and then restore and update. The process will be automatically started. So it is the process has been automatically started, and now from here it will takes around 5 to 10 minutes. I'm trying to. So now from here it will takes 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see. Right now the software is extracting. Okay, right now the software is extracting. It's preparing for. So right now it's verifying the restore the iPhone. Now the iPhone, the custom firmware is now installing. Suddenly it dropped, actually it slipped over here.
I've already done it. With Wix. I'll show you how it's done.
So it seems to be completed. The iPhone has been restored to factory setting and restarting. So now let's see. Okay, it's now seems like still doing something. Okay, here it is, the iPhone already appeared. The iPhone sign has been already appeared here. Okay, now it seems it's completely done. It's asking for to set up your iPhone as in completely new or restore from the previous backup, which is on my computer. So here it is. Let's simply cancel it and cross the of it. So here it is now completely in computer. We already seen that it seems like the iCloud uh, already bypassed. So the iCloud lock has been removed now from the phone. Let's set it out. And the important thing is the service for this after restoring it with the custom firmware, the network will not work. So that's a sad thing in that. But you can use your phone for with Wi-Fi. Only the when you use it, the network will searching on no service like always will appear. So let's simply quickly set up with the Wi-Fi password. And it's now seems completed, and let's check it out. Okay, it's okay, now here it is. It's directly asking for the touch ID and the password. So don't use continue passcode, don't use passcode. So it's completely seems to be done. Now from here you can select it as a restore it from previous backup, restore your phone from iTunes, move move data from Android, set it as a new phone. So it's completely done. From here you can identify that the iCloud lock has been completely removed. So this is the way, in that way you can easily remove your iCloud lock problem from your iPhones. And it's work for all the iPhones with 64-bit, and it's also work on iPad and iPods. So if you like my video, then please click on thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching this. So set up in later, so don't use. Thank you.